Hi guys, Namaskaram. Welcome back to my channel Sri's Delight. Today you will see one of my skincare routine which I do this to get an instant glow to my face. When we have a tired day or someone is coming to visit us or we have any functions to attend, so we need some instant glow to our face. This is an age-old remedy which our grandparents or our parents they were doing that before those chemical things and all. So the same thing I am following that. So we'll see how to do that. This is not a new for our Indians, but for people who doesn't know, this might be useful for them. So now into a face pack. So to make this face mask, I'm going to take 1 spoon of besan flour or chickpea flour. Actually this proportions is not like you have to take only this much only. It depends upon your skin type. Mine is a combination skin, so I have taken 1 spoon of chickpea flour and 1 spoon of rice flour. Now I'm going to take this kasturi turmeric, or we call it as kasturi manjal. If you don't have this turmeric, you can use a normal one which we use for cooking, and we get some turmeric for face also, especially for face. You can use that one also. Today I'm going to use this kasturi turmeric. This one, it doesn't give much tint to our face, but this turmeric helps us to remove our facial hair, and even this pack also helps us to remove the facial hair. It depends upon how you are applying this. So I'm taking like generous amount of, that is like 1 teaspoon of this kasturi turmeric. Now I'm going to mix it. Into this I'm going to add some yogurt. This yogurt prevents us from aging or the wrinkles. If you want to add some water, you can take. Now I'm not going to add any water. All the moisture, creaminess is going to come from the yogurt and lemon. This mask, you can use it as a scrubber also, scrub for your face, or even like a face pack also. If you have a puffy eyes or under eye bags, make sure your yogurt is very cold. That is, once you take from the refrigerator, you make the paste and apply it immediately. So this will help you to reduce your puffiness under your eyes. Now I've taken some lime. I'm going to squeeze it. If you have black pigmentations in your face or to your neck area, you can use the lime little bit more. Or you can apply the lemon without all this pack. Then you have those pigmentation. I'll put a video on that separately sometimes. So this one is so much thick, so I added some more yogurt. If you want a video regarding the black pigmentations or the black neck area, comment me in the comment box. I will make a separate video on that. So in one of my videos, I don't remember in which video, I told you that I was having some medical problem. So that time I was supposed to take some steroids. So where my face become like a moon shape, so it was so much bulged, and it took a lot of effort for me to shrink my face to this. And even though if I shrink my face, there was some loose skins. I think you can see I have lots of loose skins under my face, and I have some double chin also because of that medicines which I took. So I started using this mask regularly so that the loose skins which I got to tighten up slowly. So if you have any loose skins like me which I had, you can use this. Even this black marks which I have under near my neck, even this also is because of those medicines which I took. So this mask helped me little bit to reduce everything. Myself, not only this mask, I use some other mask also for my face sometimes. So if I'm in a lazy day or if I'm tired, I use this mask. This mask, if you want an instant glow, just apply it little bit on your face and you can wash it off when it is dry. If you have a loose skin, something like me, you apply it little bit more, like generous amount of the mask, and wait for the time until the mask get dried. So when it is dried, the skin will be tightened up, then you can wash it. Just you have to scrub it. When you scrub, all your unwanted hairs in your face also will be removed. So now we'll see how to apply this mask. If you feel this mask is a lot for you, you don't need to store it. Just apply it to your face and even to your body also, and take a bath. So not only your face is beneficial, even your like neck parts or your arm parts will be beneficial too. I don't advise you to keep this in the fridge. I think you can keep it, but whenever we need it, we can make it fresh and we can apply it, which will be more beneficial. So now I'll show you how to apply this. First I'll show you on my hand, then I'll show you into my face also. So if you want just instant glow and your face is perfectly normal, correct, like you don't have any pigmentations or anything except your glowiness, you apply this in a small one layer. So today I'm going to use my hand, which I washed it. So you take only this much and you spread this into your face, and you leave it this for like 10 minutes. Like within 10 minutes you can wash your face. If you are having loose skin, which I said, you have to take it little more. Once you apply this, wait for like few minutes, then you apply this generously like this, and you have to wait until this whole thing is dried up. Then you can wash your face. When you apply this much, you can feel the tightness in your face, then you can wash your face. Now I'm going to apply this to my face, generous amount. So under my eyes, I'm going to apply it very much generous, and here and all the faces I'm applying little bit less, just here. Since I have some eye bags, I'm going to apply a little bit more here. Here I'm going to apply generously. Once after drying this, you wash it. If you feel your face is dry, just apply moisturizer. So I'll be waiting until this pack gets dried, then I'll wash my face and come. Hi. So this is my face after washing it. So just took a bath. I didn't use any soap or anything to my face. It's still fresh without any creams or anything. You can see the difference before and after. So this glowiness it got from that mask which I apply. This mask I usually apply like weekly twice or thrice because I have some black pigmentations, as I said. The glow which from this mask which I got it is from the besan flour, and the rice flour we can use it as a scrubber also. If sometimes if you have some dead skins, you can use it only rice flour to remove the dead skins. So if you have some combination skin or whatever it is, you want any inquiries, please ask me, I'll tell you. So for this type of many interesting and useful videos, please do subscribe to my channel if you never did it. If you already did subscribe to my channel, please press the bell icon so that you will get a update very fast. And thank you for subscribing to my channel. We'll see you in the next video. If you like this, please share this with your friends and family. Until then, take care. Bye.